We can definitely make a strategy which will help you to make around $15,000 to $20,000 a month as a income which is coming from the ETFs and the
Okay.
dividends.
I never heard of that.
Yeah. Unfortunately, not many people are aware of that, but I'm sure with this podcast and with this recording, and many people who are listening to us now, they can definitely learn what we are discussing now. So let me explain this to you. By investing little bit of amount in the ETFs, which are paying the dividends to you on the regular basis, and then selling the options for that, it works as it can help you grow your income exponential, compounding interest kind of thing too.
But those options are risky. A lot of people are saying in the market.
Yeah, so that's why I generally believe in option selling, not buying.
Okay.
Buying is for me is quite risky. Not risky at the same time. Even selling options could be risky and not risky at the same time. It depends upon how do you manage your funds. It depends upon what kind of risk appetite you have. And why do I prefer selling option is that there are a lot of ways you can manage your risk while you're selling the options. Like you can roll out the option, you can exercise the option, you can you can take the profit, not waiting for 100% profit, but as soon as you see that you are generating 20, 30, 40% profit, you can set the target and you can just go ahead with that.
So you are saying that by ETF, the strategy you are explaining, I will be making money by dividends. Plus, I will be also making money by selling options.
Correct.
So
And
basically,
also,
I will be making money in simple
yeah.
words.
So yeah, as I said, with the options, you can make the money by selling puts. And once the stock is assigned to you in the form of ETF, then you can sell the cover. You can sell the covered calls, and then you are getting you are also getting the dividend. And anyways, the price of that NAV, the price of NAV will keep on increasing. So let's say if you purchase one ETF today at the rate of $20 per share, and then if you have, let's say, 1,000 ETF in your 1,000 shares, so if 20 become 40, anyway your income has grown.
Right.
And then beside that, you generated the income through dividend, you generated the income through selling covered calls, and you already collected premium by selling the put options.
Got
So
it.
that is the way you can generate the massive passive income for yourself.
That's the ultimate way of being a financial free.
That's also known as the financial freedom in terms of building a good portfolio. And we are not looking at just by investing millions of dollars. We can build this portfolio incrementally over the period of next 5 to 10.
How much minimum amount do you think that one should invest?
It depends on individual's profile. It depends upon how much money individuals can have. But you can start by investing just $5,000 a month and making sure that not $5,000 a month. I mean to say you can start with $5,000 as an investment, and gradually it can keep on increasing. But I still suggest if you can invest $500 a month as a SIP, systematic investment plan, and your portfolio will keep on growing.
So let me get this straight. Someone who's having $10,000, $5,000 in the bank in their saving account, they should be working on this particular strategies rather than putting money in the savings account.
Of course, so saving up, having the money in the bank account will not grow. It's like a dead money. But if you invest the same money in the ETF in stock market, and if you keep on selling the options, you can make portfolio grow exponentially for yourself.
Right.
So $10,000, who knows, could be $1 million in just maybe 5 to 7 years, and which is never possible, which would not be possible at all if the money is lying just in the saving account.
Right. So you would rather prefer passive income rather than side hustle.
Side hustle, you are still using your body to work for you, but you still can't make the money grow for yourself. Side hustle, definitely, as far as if you don't have the money, you can work on those things, but long term is not a possible solution. Work on the side hustle, generate income, but invest into the ETF and the stock market, which will help you to get retired maybe in the next 10 years. And I have seen people making tremendous amount of money. I mean, the people had made good amount of money in the stock market. I hope I had answered all of your questions.
Yeah.
If you have any question, please reach out to me or to following email address and contact number. And to the guys who are watching this particular episode, let us know what your thoughts are. Please share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'm sure we are going to come out with a lot of informative and innovative way of making money in your life. And of course, it is going to help you all.